In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are found interacting with the people for all the time, on daily basis, several times a day. I'm not talking about the people with whom we do have the deep interaction or dealing. These people be included, but I'm not merely talking about these people. We are found usually ignoring, we are usually found overlooking what the other people are found saying. We don't pay attention to most of the things. We do listen from the other people. Even if we do listen it from an intelligent person, from a successful person, from somebody who is very educated. I think that this attitude of ignoring whatever we listen from the people, whatever we watch the people doing, I think that this is responsible for the lesser growth, for the smaller growth, either materially or intellectually. And if at all we are sincere, if at all we are committed, if at all we are determined to take us forward, to take ourselves forward, to move forward, to take ourselves forward, to move ourselves forward, either intellectually, materially, or in any other way, then I think that we need to learn from the people, and we need desperately, we need it desperately to learn from the people. Now the question arises, how can we learn from the other people in a better way, in a more effective way, in a more sensible manner? This is the question to be pondered upon. I think that even if whatever we have listened from the other people, whatever we have seen the other people doing, the people, especially who are intelligent, educated, and successful, I think we need to pay attention to whatever they are found saying, whatever they are found doing. Because if at all we do pay attention to it, then only then only we will be able to discover the the worth of those things, the importance of those things, the utility of that particular approach. We need to understand whatever we are found listening. I know a person who used to take very seriously the things which he used to listen, which he used to watch the other people doing, and this person has earned a lot of money, has earned, has become a kind of public figure in the town, in the city. Although he did certain unfair things, I am not recommending, I am not suggesting that you or anyone else should be doing those unethical and unfair things. Not at all. But what I am suggesting, what am I trying to communicate or put forward is that we need to learn from the people. We need to pay attention to whatever the people are saying. Sometimes people do tell, they do utter the secrets of their success, the things which has made them success, although they are not found saying this thing, although they are not usually found sharing the secrets of their success, although usually they are not found sharing the secrets of their success with the other people, but sometime either intentionally or unintentionally they do utter certain words, certain sentences, they do share certain strategies of their success. And this is the time now to catch it, to pick it, and to adopt it. We need to pay attention to the people. We need to take seriously whatever the people are found saying, whatever the people are found doing. We need to take it seriously. We should not ignore, and we must not ignore. We should not ignore, and we must not ignore it at all, because if at all we do keep ignoring, we will keep ignoring the secrets of success, we will keep ignoring the tips of success, we will keep ignoring the wisdom, the wisdom which can improve our life, which can make our life better one, which can make us a successful, or even a more successful person. All of us are desperate to become a successful person, but maybe we are not having we are not having the right way, the proper way, or if even if we do have, we are not very clear, we are not very very assured, we are not very we are not very confident that this thing can bring such a big amount of improvement, such a big change in my life, such a big improvement in my life. That is why we are found ignoring, overlooking, not paying the serious attention to what the people are found saying, to what the people are found doing. I think we need to pay attention to it. We need to pay attention to it. We need to look upon it. We should try to get the maximum. We should try to get the maximum from the other people, and the way we are discussing how to get the maximum from the other people, we need to know the secrets of success, we need to know the secrets of their wisdom, and that is only possible by observing them, by listening to them, by using our eyes, by using our ears, and whatever messages, whatever types of messages do arrive to the brain through our eyes, through our ears, we need to learn it. We need to learn it, and prior to the learning we need to pay proper attention to it. And if at all we are serious enough, if at all we are committed enough, that from now onward I shall be paying attention, and I shall be taking seriously whatever a successful and intelligent, or an educated person is found saying, is found doing. Whatever they are doing, whatever they are saying, must be taken seriously, must not be ignored, must not be overlooked, and must not be thrown away without a proper consideration. Rather we should not just once, rather we should several times, we should pay attention to something what we have seen, when what we have heard, what we have seen the people, the successful, educated, and intelligent people are found doing, are found saying. That is maybe a shortcut, a straight way, a better way to success. Thank you.